Hi everyone, here we are. It's the second day of spring, March the 20th, uh, 11:02 is Sunday in the morning, and you know, snow, it's beautiful. It's still snowing a little bit. No, it was completely covered the ground up last night with crappy camera. Wouldn't, take any video at night, but uh, we had about 2 inches. But even as it's snowing, it's melting. That's just the way it is here in Texas. This part of Texas. This is the third time it snowed uh, this season. This is spring, but it snowed twice here in the winter. Ain't it beautiful? I've tried to get my family up, my wife and my kids, and they're not interested in getting up and coming and seeing it. They're missing it. You can see there on that bench, picnic bench, a couple inches. I'm sure that Dallas got, a lot more than we did. My mom uh, emailed me last night, said it was snowing like Johnny be good. That was her exact words. Is it pretty over there? Really ain't pretty on the roof. It kind of folded up there, falling. The trees are really cool. These trees here were budding. We had a big thunderstorm come in here yesterday. I mean, it rained and it looked like Lake Mead in the backyard. That's that looking down my road, straight from where I live. This is, you know, so pretty. This is 21st of March, 2010, 11:06 in the morning. Thanks everyone for watching, and God bless.